The wrong person will hold your hand, but not your heart. They will be close to you, but yet you will still feel alone. The wrong person will embrace you, but not your flaws. They will love the easy parts of you, but resist the parts that are real. The wrong person will be attracted to you, but not respect you. And without respect, attraction doesn't last. The wrong person will want you to understand them, but won't try to understand you. It will always feel one sided, like you are the one adjusting, the one explaining, the one trying to make it work. The wrong person won't always lie to you with words, but they will show you the truth in their actions, in their consistency, in their absence, in how they show up when it actually matters. And deep down, you will feel it. So just make sure you are not only listening to what they say, but you are watching what they do.